So today's date is the 19th. Yeah, or can you fit it into your old notes from last week? New page. Yeah, your do now page you don't touch, only for your do nows. Turn the page, use the back side. And today's title, area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. Just walk a little more. Just walk. Just a couple more steps. You can do it. Thanks, Miss J. Do you feel threatened? Do you feel... Okay, draw me one of these triangles. Draw me one of these triangles. And then draw me one of these triangles while I go do my duty as a teacher.
How much spaces?
Oh, I didn't count the spaces. I just kind of did.
Oh, it doesn't really matter.
Nah, it doesn't really matter. But try to get the same shape. Does anybody know what we call the second triangle? What kind of triangle? What kind of special triangle?
Right triangle?
Very good, a right triangle. Does anybody know what we call the last triangle? Two. I should just go on. They're good. They're ready. Okay. I'll come back. I'll circle back. You're the first one, Mr. Diaz. Thank you. Okay. Does anybody know what we call the first one?
A triangle.
What kind of triangle?
Three squares.
So this one's a right. This one's obtuse. This one's a
Normal.
normal. Starts with an A.
Acute.
Acute. This is the first year where kids really know their triangles. Yay, 6th grade math. Great. It's fine. I'm gonna officially it's 7th grade math. So for those of you who still remember, you're ahead of the game. Giovanni, if you don't remember, that's cool. I'm gonna remind you this year. Oh, that's great, Mom. That's just great. Yay. Okay, does anybody remember how do I find the area of a triangle? What is the formula? Ready, set, go.
Base and height.
Oh, you're missing something though.
Area equal.
Yes. Why do kids always forget the divide by 2? They always forget that. Always forget that. All right. Area is equal to base times height divided by 2. Base times height, oopsie. Base times height divided by 2. Base times height. And what do kids always forget to do? Divide by 2. Remember, everything I write, you write. Everything I write, you write. Oh, look. Oh, my gosh. Look at me. I just wrote down a happy face. So what do I expect to see in your notes? Just because we're all happy campers today. Yay. All right. Now, the first triangle, the base is here. Here is the base. Now, who can tell me where would the height be in this triangle?
Inside.
Inside. So what do I have to draw?
A line.
Usually they're dotted lines. It's a dotted line, usually, and then a little that. This is called your height. Okay. The second triangle, the base. I like to think of the base like your feet, like the feet of the triangle. So it's the base. And then the height, I can use this line. Does anybody know why I can use this line?
It's a straight, it's a parallelogram. No, a parallel.
It's not very perpendicular. It's straight, right? It makes 90 degrees. So we like that. We're good. Okay, the last one. That one's tricky, but a lot of kids know it. Where would the height be in this last triangle?
Inside.
Yes.
This side.
Huh? This side? What do you mean this side? Like this side?
Yeah.
This? No, remember how... That side?
Inside.
No, that's not the height. Remember you have to stand up nice and straight for your height.
It's just a weird.
The bottom?
That bottom? Yes?
Like I think it's like the
Going straight up?
Yeah.
Here? Yes?
The inside of the thing?
So kind of like what she was saying, like here?
Mm-hmm.
But is that the real height of it?
No.
No. Where is it? It's outside. So this was like the trickiest one. It's from the very, very tip of this part of your triangle, and then it goes straight down. Dot, 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 dot. And then dot, 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 dot. There it is. Dot, 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 dot. This is your height. So these are the 3 different type of triangles you might see. So we write these in our notes, so when you have an issue on your homework or your classwork, you can go back to these notes and go like, oh, I remember she told us the height is inside or the height is outside for that weird triangle. All right. Ready? Set. Let's do a problem. All right, let's draw me a right triangle. Draw me a right triangle. There's my right triangle. Okay? Now I'm going to tell you that the base is equal to 5 inches and the height is equal to 4 inches. The height is 4, the base is 5. So we just reminded ourselves that the formula is base times height divided by 2. What number is your base?
5.
5. What number is your height? 4. And then we're going to divide by 2. Now, does everybody know that? Oh, you can't see it. That's terrible. Can't see it. Does everybody know that that dot means? And then this line means?
Divide.
Yay. All right. What's 5 times 4?
20.
20.
10.
Wait. So wait. Okay. 20 divided by 2? 10. So our area is equal to 10 what?
10 inches square feet.
Whoa. 10 inches squared. If you say feet, then we got to use a different unit, right? So 10 inches squared. You're done. We're good? All right. Draw me a acute triangle. So draw me one of these. One of these. Now, reminder, if I go too fast or if I go too slow, I am recording these, so you can always go back, fill in your notes if you miss something. And yeah, so here we go. So let's draw it. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, base is, give me a number.
10.
Oh, I like it.
8.
And 8? Okay. Your height is 8. Your base is 10. All right. Can you plug in your numbers into the formula? Remember, the formula is base times height divided by 2. So can you plug in your numbers without shouting? Now plug in your numbers, plug in your numbers, plug in your numbers. Do we have an answer?
Yes.
Oh, good. Yeah. In this class, if you can work one step ahead of me, go ahead and work one step ahead of me, right? If you're just like, oh, what's going on? Then you stay with me, right? And you ask Miss J or myself, and you watch what I do. But if ever you feel like, okay, or you want to try it, even if you got it wrong, but you tried, that's a good thing. Like you're trying, that's always a good thing. All right, so did you substitute the numbers correctly? I did 10 times 8 divided by 2. Did you do that? Yes. Yeah? Did you do 10 times 8? Yes. What'd you get?
80.
80 divided by 2.
40.
Right? Oh, good. 40 what? I didn't write it over here. Apologies, but I wrote it here. Okay, but he learned. Mr. Inches Feet over there. Okay, can you draw me an obtuse triangle? How do you start an obtuse triangle? You start with an obtuse angle. So here and here. So that's an obtuse angle. And then you close it. Then you close it. All right, let's do it easy. 6 and 4. But this one needs the height outside. All right, there we are. All right, drink some water. While I drink some water, can you plug in the numbers correctly? Can you write the formula down? All right. So area is equal to base times height divided by 2. What is my base? What's my base? What number is my base? 4. So did you write 4 times, what's my height? 6. Did you write 4 times 6? And then don't forget the divide by 2. What's the number with mistake?
24.
Oh wait, I'm not done talking. Oh. What's the number one mistake kids do?
Do not divide.
I know, that's terrible, huh? All right, now, what's 4 times 6?
24.
24 divided by 2?
12.
12 what?
Inches squared. A yard squared.
Any questions? Is this new?
No.
No. This is all review from like 5th and 6th grade. It's okay if you kind of forgot and then it's like, oh yeah, that's right. Now I remember. But you should know this from the other years. All right. Let's do this. 2 and 2.
I'm losing this one.
And then the parallelogram, when you get a chance, do it.
That means divide for this one?
You divide for every single triangle. You see a triangle, you divide it. You see a triangle, divide it. All right, so number 1. Now this triangle is upside down. It's like upside down. What's the base though? Oh, wait, stop. Pause, Miss O'Malley, pause. At the very top, how do I find the area? So what's the very formula for triangles? Base times height divided by 2. So I'm going to write the formula on the very top so I have it on my paper. All right, number 1. It would be 8 times 8 divided by 2. Because my base is 8, it's upside down. The triangle's upside down. So the base is 8, the height is base 8. 8 times 8. What's 8 times 8?
64.
Nice. So then it's 64 divided by 2. Miss O'Malley, let's pretend I don't know what 64 divided by 2 is. Let's pretend. Remember in and out from 6th grade? In and out. Inside, top number's inside, bottom number's outside. And then you go, okay, how many times does 2 go into 6? I heard it, 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Then bring down the 4. How many times is 2 going to 4? 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4, and we're done, right? Once we get zeros at the bottom, we're done. So this is our answer. So it would be 32 yards squared. 32 yards squared. And I showed my division over here.
Wait, what?